Hi, I'm Ron Nespor with Miller Industries, and today we're going to have a brief talk about lubricating the wheel lift pivot. The Miller wheel lift pivot system incorporates 3 grease fittings. Each grease fitting is dedicated to lubricating a specific spot on the pivot. The first grease fitting shown here is designed to lubricate the complete top wear surface. Apply grease into there and rotate the crossbar to spread the grease around. The second grease fitting shown in the middle of the pivot pin doesn't actually grease the pivot pin, it greases the lower surface of the pivot area. And finally, the grease fitting located in the side of the pivot head lubricates the pivot pin. To maximize the life of the wheel lift pivot, make sure all 3 grease fittings are properly lubricated. Subscribe to our news feed for more tips and to stay up to date with new products from Miller Industries.
This video is for product demonstration purposes only and is not intended for training or instructional purposes. Situations vary and operators should rely on their own professional knowledge and safety procedures when conducting actual recoveries.